On the fourth day of Christmas, some money tips from me. How to save on utilities. Hey guys, welcome back to the Wfh Korna for our 12 Days of Christmas series. Today we're diving into a topic that hits close to home, literally. Let's talk about something we all can appreciate: saving money, especially when it comes to those utility bills. Here are some tips and tricks on how to keep your home office humming without burning a hole into your pocket. First on the list, the power move of Unplug and Prosper. Chargers, electronics, appliances like your microwave, or even that coffee maker, unplug them when you are not using them. It's a simple trick that can sneakily save you a bundle on your electricity bill. Next on our list, sunlight. Yes, that vitamin D. Make friends with natural light. I've spoken about this before. Position your workspace near a window to bask in the glow. It not only brightens your mood, but also dims the need for artificial lighting. Yes, bestie, get some vitamin D as much as you can. Now let's shed some light on LED bulbs. It's a game changer in our household, at least. Swap out those old school bulbs for energy efficient LEDs. They use way less power and last longer, giving your wallet a needed break and the environment a thumbs up. Trust me, they are a great investment. One thing for sure, and two things for certain: the sun is still sunning. It's like Jamaica not get the memo yet, say it's winter or the Christmas season. Our next tip is a double whammy: hydration and conservation. Stay hydrated with a reusable water bottle and fix those leaks ASAP. It's a win for both your energy bill and the planet. Also, this one might be a bit controversial, but you can either take shorter showers or less showers. I'll leave you to choose. Next up is our dark horse tip: master the power strip. So what you want to do is to plug multiple devices into one power strip, and when you are done for the day, flip the switch. It's like putting your entire workspace on standby mode. I'll even include a bonus tip for those of you who have become best friends with your AC units. It's all about finding that sweet spot on your thermostat. So you want to adjust it wisely in colder months, layer up and drop the thermostat a bit. In warmer times though, you want to let your AC take a vacation when you can. If you enjoyed these tips, give us a thumbs up and share your own energy saving hacks in the comment section. Thanks again for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more savvy work from home tips. Until next time, stay productive and stay thrifty. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.